Good afternoon. I'm doing a quick little video here of the 2019 Nissan Murano, and this one in particular is going to be the Platinum. This is the highest level you can buy in the Murano. Front wheel drive is available in this car, and also all wheel drive. This particular trim level is equipped leather seats. You also get the famous Nissan safety shield, so you're protected from the front, from the sides, and from the back. You have a lot of space in the back too as well, depending what you're carrying from the back. And as well, this is equipped with the active motion liftgate, so you do the 1, 2, 3 kick, and it also closes down the trunk for you guys. Memory seating is available too as well, so memory seating and memory steering wheel with electric steering wheel. You also have the intelligent around view monitor, so you can see the camera from the front, from the back, and also what you can do too as well, you can switch the cameras, so that way you don't have to scratch those rims on the right side when you parallel parking. Also, you got heated and cool seats. As well, you have your heating steering wheel, and this is the button for you to activate all the safety features on the car too as well. The blind spot warning is right here in the pillar. We have it inside because this is the safety features is to warn you. Many companies have it outside, but Nissan invented it inside because it's more visible, and that way it's letting you know that there's a car on your blind spot. And this is a 2019 Nissan Murano Platinum.